This is the teacher preview for the Google Slides topic, Greater Numbers. This can be assigned in Google Classroom, and for all of my Google Slides products that I make for students, I have direction videos for them to watch so they know exactly what they need to do on the slides following. So all they need to do is push the play button, and then they'll see me manipulating my screen to show them what they need to do. For the first section, they're going to be counting the objects in the circles, and then they're going to be deciding which one has more. There are also question marks below so they can write down the number so they can keep track. So for the first one, they would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They would type an 8 in this box, and then they'd count the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a 6 in that box, and then they would move the check mark to the one that has more. And then I'm just going to show you the rest of those. There are 10 slides for them to practice this skill. And then the next section, we're going to be deciding if numbers are greater or more than the one that's given. So for this one, they have the number 55. They need to decide if these numbers down here are more or are not more. So 34 is not more, so they're going to click and drag the X to the box. 57 is more, so they'll put a green check mark there. And 68 is more as well, so they're going to put the green check mark on that box. And I'll show you the rest of those. There are 10 of these slides to practice. And then there is an answer key at the end to tell you, or to show you what the answers are, so you can put that on a piece of paper, print it out, or put it on the screen next to you so you can look at that while you're grading.